Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Stevie's Japanese Garden and Bonsai. Hello. Just showing you off my Satsuki azalea. This is the first year I've seen it flower. I got it bought as a present for me. Yeah, it was bought for a present for me as a Christmas present. And my mother was panicking when the weather was really cold and getting hard frosts that it was going to die, so she gave me it early. I haven't done no work on it yet. It needs a lot of work done on it, but I thought I'd wait to see it flower, just to see what it looks like. And so I'm really happy with the colour of the flowers, and there seems to be quite a lot of them, and some of them are coming out like double flowers, so that's really good. So it's just my first time showing it on video. Definitely needs some work done and some of the branches took off, but I thought I'd leave it for now. So it's just the first initial showing of it. I do have another one, which is this one, and this has just got some buds just starting to come out, but it's nowhere near as advanced as that one. There's another one here, so thought I'd give it a quick show. Alright, I'll be doing a repot video on this after it's flowered, re-putting it into some kanuma. So please like and subscribe, please, and I look forward to getting your comments. Thank you. Goodbye.